At coastal city Shenzhen, the Orena fire alarm system project was completed on June 2007. It consists of 4 units of addressable control panel OZH4800 and 10,450 address points. Till now, it is operating for 14 years and keeps the people and society peace in mind all the time. The coastal city is located in the commercial and cultural center of Nanshan district in Shenzhen city. The coastal city consists of the East Tower, West Tower, Coastal City Shopping Mall and the Coastal Style Street. Total construction area of around 300,000 square meters. Coastal City Shopping Center is the largest shopping mall in western Shenzhen. The Coastal City building project was designed by Carlson Architects.